This homemade fertilizer is a real boost for tomatoes, but that's not all. It also works great for cucumbers and can turn just a few plants into a true harvest machine. When used regularly, it can help you harvest buckets of tasty, large, ripe vegetables. Pour about 14 fluid ounces of water into a large container. The next ingredient is milk. Measure about 3.5 fluid ounces and add it to the water. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Yeast is valued for supporting beneficial microorganisms in the soil and helping plants absorb nutrients more effectively. The next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of ground garlic. Garlic is often used in the garden because it can help reduce pest problems and support plant health. Another important ingredient is honey. Add a generous tablespoon. It provides energy for microorganisms and helps activate the entire mixture. Mix everything thoroughly and let it sit for about 1 hour. During this time, the ingredients will combine and begin to work. Now prepare a watering can. Pour in about half of the mixture and fill the rest with water. Use this solution to water tomatoes and cucumbers directly at the base of the plants. You can also store the remaining mixture in a bottle and use it later. Tomatoes are especially demanding during periods of rapid growth and at the beginning of flowering. That's when extra support can be most beneficial. Regular use of this mixture helps strengthen roots and stems, allowing plants to thrive and grow vigorously. 1 tablespoon of this will make your plants grow at lightning speed. Your garden will be full of healthy, strong seedlings. It's an ingredient gardeners rarely talk about, yet it has a huge impact on plant growth and crop quality. Take a grinder, add 1 tablespoon of uncooked rice, and grind it into a fine powder. Rice improves soil condition, supports plant development, and helps plants absorb water and nutrients more effectively. Next, prepare a taller container. Add 1 tablespoon of the ground rice. The next ingredient is sugar, which helps plants absorb nutrients from the soil more efficiently and also boosts their growth. Add about 1 tablespoon of sugar to the container. Now pour in about 17 ounces of water and mix thoroughly until everything dissolves. Prepare a watering can, pour a small amount of the solution into it, and dilute it with about 1 quart of water. Watering your plants regularly with this mixture will help them grow healthy, fast, and strong. Once a week is enough. You can also pour the remaining solution into a glass bottle, seal it tightly, and store it in a dark place. This homemade fertilizer will stay ready to use for a long time, and regular watering with it will provide your plants with a steady supply of essential nutrients, supporting healthy growth throughout the entire season. This fertilizer made my tomatoes start growing almost instantly. It works like rocket fuel for plant growth. This fertilizer will help protect your seedlings from late spring cold snaps and unexpected frost. Prepare 2 plastic bottles cut in half. Pour about 1 quart of water into 1 bottle and add water to the second bottle as well. The first ingredient is milk, which is rich in calcium, supports plant development, and helps improve fruit production. Measure out about half a cup of milk and pour it into 1 bottle. Then repeat the same step by adding another half cup of milk to the second bottle. The next ingredient is iodine, which improves plant resistance and supports healthy growth, especially during harsh weather conditions. Add a few drops of iodine to the water in 1 bottle and mix thoroughly. Repeat the same process with the second bottle by adding a few drops of iodine. Now, 1 bottle is ready to use, and you can immediately water your seedlings with it. The fertilizer will go straight to the roots, supporting strong and healthy growth. Next, prepare a spray bottle, pour the mixture into it, close it, and spray the plants. This mixture will protect the leaves, support their development, and improve the overall condition of the plants. Regular use of this fertilizer will ensure healthy growth and abundant harvests. This fertilizer is also excellent protection against late spring frost, which can destroy young plants. Thanks to this, your seedlings will survive unfavorable weather conditions and continue growing at full strength. An experienced gardener shared this year-round method for growing garlic with me. Take a fairly large plastic bottle and cut off the top at about 3/4 of its height. Unscrew the cap and make a small hole in the center using scissors. Take a strip of paper towel and thread it through the hole in the cap. Pull it through the neck of the bottle and screw the cap back on. Place the top part upside down into the bottom to create 2 levels. Fill the upper section with potting soil, cover it well, and lightly moisten it with water. Peel several garlic cloves and place them fairly close together in the soil until the surface is evenly filled. When everything is ready, pour a generous amount of water into the lower section and set the prepared top part with the garlic inside it. Lightly mist the soil and cloves to ensure proper moisture. This creates a self-watering bottle planter that will gradually supply water to the soil. The strip of paper towel slowly transports water from the lower reservoir into the soil. Place the bottle on a windowsill so it gets natural light. With this method, you'll quickly see how to grow garlic chives at home. You'll gain a steady supply of fresh, aromatic greens for sandwiches, salads, and hot meals. It's the easiest way to grow garlic at home using a bottle. 3 ways to plant tomatoes that will make a real difference in your garden. These are tricks they teach in horticulture school. Tomatoes are among the most popular vegetables grown in gardens and on balconies. To grow into strong and healthy plants, they need the right care. Many people don't realize that the very method of planting a tomato has a huge impact on its development, how it grows, how strong its root system becomes, and how many fruits it produces. Let me show you 3 different methods. Each one works, but each gives a different result, so watch closely. In the first method, start by properly preparing the seedling. Remove the lowest leaves and side shoots right at the base. Then plant the seedling very deep, up to half its height. Wondering why? The tomato stem will grow roots wherever it touches soil. The deeper you plant it, the stronger the root system it will develop. The plant will be healthier, and the harvest will be much bigger. The classic method is the most well-known. Plant the tomato vertically without cutting off any leaves. Just bury the root ball up to the soil level. It's quick and convenient, perfect for beginners. However, this method won't produce as strong a root system as the first one. The final method is the most interesting. Cut off a few of the lowest branches, then plant the seedling at an angle, so that the stem lies slightly diagonally in the soil, with just the top sticking out. This method makes the plant develop faster, bloom sooner, and bear fruit earlier. 1 tomato, 3 planting techniques. Choose the perfect one for your garden. The secret powder that will accelerate the growth of your seedlings and repel insects. It's completely natural and used by every experienced gardener. You won't find this in a garden store. After using it, plants have thick stems and leaves. They're much more resistant to diseases and changing weather conditions. Even the weakest, most fragile seedlings start growing like crazy. Anyone who has tried growing plants from seedlings knows it's not that simple. To grow well, seedlings need more than just water and light. I know a method that works wonders. The solution is literally in your kitchen. An ingredient that almost no one talks about, but has amazing properties. It acts as an antioxidant for plants. It stimulates growth, strengthens the root system, and repels pests, especially aphids. This secret powder is the peel of one of the citrus fruits. Peel a few oranges, then dry the peels thoroughly. Once they're hard, grind them into a fine powder in a blender. This natural homemade powder is the best growth stimulant. Just 1 tablespoon is enough, but that's not all. In a separate container, add 5 tablespoons of citrus powder and pour in 1 liter of warm water. Let it sit for half an hour, then strain it. Use this spray twice a week. Your plants will grow faster, healthier, and more luxuriant. Even frail seedlings will become strong and healthy.